Hey guys, good morning, welcome or welcome back, or good evening or good afternoon. I want to say welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. I really appreciate your love and support. So on this day today is also a new day, guys. I'm appreciating your love and support. So I'm really giving much thanks to Almighty God. Secondly, to you all guys for watching my videos till to the end, and actually don't skip the ads. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for 21k plus subscribers. So much grateful for your love and support. So this day today, guys, as the title suggests, or as other stuff suggests, like today why we stopped construction. It's crazy, it's crazy. Watch this video till the end and you'll know the reason why construction has to stop. So right, also my outfit today had to steal me in house specs because my specs got damaged. I sat on them, but I'll just rectify them. So I decided, let me just use this. So, and also I'm literally looking on this other end. It's only that we have reached to the lintel, and I have to wait for the house to dry a little bit. And also I'm looking for the trees around here where we can just do what we call like split them to become timbers, so that we can use them for roofing on the other end. So the other day we had sand over here, so these are the road which we used to come from the main road on the other side. This road heads to Sirari border and also to Tanzania, and also they may connect with what we call like the main area. That's the main road. This tree is called water tree, I guess. Water tree. It has been here for decades and decades and decades. Yeah, I'm moving around here to our thin forest. Is it thin or thick forest, or a small forest here at home, where I want to look for trees. Maybe I want to see if these trees will really make it for us to just split them. If I bring a timber or a lumber to just, maybe we can cut or 2 or 3 trees around here. We combine with some of the trees around, and we want to see what's going on around. In a nutshell, please subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment. And also I want to show you where I used to use to make bricks, but the bricks said goodbye. So yeah, let me trespass here. Ooh, back. I want to go up. Ooh, this side. Yeah, so I'm literally looking. Wow, this like firewoods here. Oh, mom will be so happy. Claude fetched firewood. I found 2 best firewoods to cook food, you know. Nowadays over here we use firewood as a source of fuel. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, what do you use there at your country or at your village, at your place. With me here, we used to come here, fetch firewood like this. This will be better. So this is our land over here, and we have some of the trees in which I will literally use. Maybe like this one tree here. We have this one tree here, and also maybe another one will be like this. But this tree belongs to our elder brother, who is actually in school, or at school. He's still at school. He's becoming a deacon. Then from there he can become a Catholic priest. So let's pray for him as he prays for us, so that he can finish school. Yeah, so this is the forest that we have here, and it's good to plant trees, in which we really adding more and more trees as the time goes by. Let me fetch firewood, because you know, sometimes I come home and mom is struggling in the kitchen without having what we call like firewood. So he will be so happy when she comes from business and find that I've already fetched such kind of firewood on this other end. You know, sometimes people say, oh Claude, fetching firewood is for girls, oh this is for girls. But I do believe with us here sometimes, yeah, like me, I'm born in the middle, where we have only one little girl, and for now she's at school. Sometimes I can cook. After cooking, I can wash. After washing, I can just, you know, do a lot of stuff. And also, let me know in the comment section, do people do this? Oh, is it a lizard? A very big lizard here. Very big one. I don't know if you can see it on this small tree. Very big lizard, look. You see, it's literally climbing, you know. It's on this other end, look. A very big lizard. Oh my god. Yeah, so on these trees, I'm literally looking for trees, and also I'm looking forward to buy, instead of buying timbers, you know, buying timbers is very expensive than making timbers on your own. Like here we have trees, but not much trees. Like here we'll select maybe 2 or 3 trees that can be used to make what we call like timbers for roofing. So this area we haven't used it to cultivate, because here is where sometimes I tie goats, and also my dad suggested it as a place where we can be putting trees like this. You see, like now we are planting more and more and more and more trees, you know, more and more and more trees. Look, there's this lizard here, guys. I don't know why it's not even afraid. It's very, very big, and it's not afraid even, you know. Excuse. Yeah, but me sometimes I fear lizards, guys. You see, like that, it's not even afraid. Look there, it's not even afraid. Hey, look, it's on this tree. Concentrate well, guys. It's on this tree. It's not even afraid. I don't know why it has loved that tree. It's just hugging it tight, very, very tight. You know, it's hugging it very, very tight. So sometimes I might feel so like going now and it bites me, you know. So these are trees around here, and we are planting more and more and more and more trees. The way you see around here, these are trees, are eucalyptus trees. They are best for maybe doing what we call like doing more and more timbers. I don't know what's happening. Whenever we plant trees here, they die. I don't know. You know, they mark the border, but they are dying a little by little, like this. You see, when it was a tree planting day in Kenya, we planted some of the trees like this, the way you see it over here. So like this has already, it's drying up. Yeah, so I'm literally looking for trees around here in our forest, in our small forest here, where I can literally, these specs are not fitting me. I stole me in Howie's specs because the sun is too hot here, and she's on the other end. So yeah, so I'm looking for trees. Oh, look at that chameleon. That's a chameleon. Look, do you see it on a tree? Yeah, people usually believe that chameleons jump, so I don't want it to jump on me. And when it jumps, this is full of nature. You saw a lizard over there, or a gecko, and here we are having what we call like also a chameleon. So this forest shows you, even maybe sometimes you might have a small snake there. I have to rush. Let me put on the specs. At the same time I'm fetching. At the same time you hear some birds chirping here and there. Okay, let's go. The concentration was bricks got over, and also we haven't yet finished fencing, not fencing but constructing on the other end. Some days I want to make a lot of bricks. The way you see this hole here, it's actually made for only bricks. So I want it to continue this way up to downwards down there. And also, yeah, I want to concentrate on making more and more and more bricks, because bricks really help a lot. Like you see, the entire house of Mogendi has been constructed with these bricks that we're using here. Also, Burundian traveler used the same bricks that were here. I used the same bricks that were here. So it's good to make bricks, and also I'll be showing you the process of making bricks and burning them. So you see, like here used to have bricks, but now the house that used to hold bricks is down. It's really down. Safi baba, uko poa? Haya, naona unafiaka. Haya. So you see, I used to have a lot of bricks here, the way you see up the other side, but now they have been rained on, and it has been really hectic to the other side. So yeah, let me literally take you home. We go and see why Mugendi's construction has stopped. why we have to stop constructing, you know. So yeah, also this is on the other side of wow, look at this banana. My banana, my banana, my banana. It's very big. I hope even it's not doing well because it has fallen. Oh my god, it's very big. Look, very big, you know, very big. Those are species, big. My camera fallen down. My camera fallen down little by little, you know. On this other end, the banana is so big and huge. Sorry. So I'm with firewood over here. Let me take firewood home and also show you the process why the construction has really stopped. Why we have stopped to construct. These are firewood here. I have to join them in this other side of this end here. Wow, mom will be so happy. Baby, I see you. What are you having, baby? Oh, una maziwa? Umemaliza sahi. Okay, tell them good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
No eyes. Say guys.
Like.
Sorry. Sorry, baby.
Asante.
Sorry, baby.
Asante.
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 Guys, this is my grandma over here, guys. She was taking some milk over here, but she told me she has finished them. So tell them hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to
Claude
Joseph
Joseph
channel.
channel.
Subscribe, like, share. I love you.
Love you.
Okay, guys, this grandma over here, she's sitting here. Unataka kwenda kulala? Sawa, nakupeleka. Pole. Yeah, that's grandma, guys. She's saying she wants to go sleep. Yeah, because I brought her in the morning here and she had to sit there and also take her back to sleep. Yeah, so this is home and this is where everything is. Let me know, we are almost at the construction here and we have to give you a valid reason why the construction has stopped. Like you see, yesterday it rained. This is the place where they have been using to just do some mixing. So this is the house, as you see. So let me give you a quick Yeah, so this is the house, guys. The reason why the house has stopped, let me give you a quick tour. As you see from here, from the foundation, this house has stood up in just 1 week. In just 1 week, that's like 6 to 7 days. The house has been over this side where you see now. The construction has been so amazing, so greatly. We decided to close this side, this door, so that you can have a very nice view of this other end. We have a window. This is the big spacious living room, the way you see it over here up to the other side. So yeah, this was the final stop on this other end, so that we can now, as I showed you, we were looking for the timbers. I went down there to take you to the forest that I showed you. We had only like big 2 to 3 trees that are mature, so we are looking also for the timbers and iron sheets. And yesterday I was having a guy who is specialized in roofing, and he told me that we need around 47 iron sheets. 47 iron sheets actually that will be used to roof this house. So I went down here to look also for timbers, but for the roofs, for the iron sheets, please guys, if you really like to support us by maybe buying one iron sheet, two, we really appreciate. That's the reason why the house has really stopped constructing. Like now we have stopped constructing for a few days, and then we wanna start maybe by timber lumbering, and then the iron sheets. The iron sheets are the most crucial thing that we really need. So this is the living room, and this will be the kitchen over here. But before we go to this area, let me give you a quick tour on this other end. So in this side we have a toilet over here that will be having on this side that will serve these two rooms, first bedroom and the second bedroom. And also we bought some bricks, but also they were not enough. We added like 800 bricks, but they were not enough. They finished the entire box of the other side on the top, but they stopped on this other end on the toilet. You see, like this toilet, there's no bricks here, and also no bricks here, and also no bricks here. So we need like approximately like 500 plus bricks to finish this side, also this side, and this side. Yeah, let me show you. And also I was having here main Harvey. She has been supervising a place where, you know, business partners always come up with new business ideas. So let me show you what's going on around here. Man, Howie.
Yes, yeah.
How are you? Do you want your specs back? Do you realize that I used your specs today?
Yes, you use my specs. His specs
I'm
are struggling.
I look
and
sexy.
the sun rays are so hot. So
hot, yeah.
I hope you don't fall into a ditch because mine have a bit of lens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. Then mine has, but I sat on them.
So,
But I'll go use, cause
now you can
I
just
think
use
we have
them.
the same. You see, we have the same lens. You know, the UV.
Eh.
Motari, who said that? Okay,
So
use this.
because you're recording, but it's okay.
Yeah. Hey, introduce yourself.
Mean Harry?
Yes.
Guys,
Come
I
beside
I
because
need
the
no
sun-
introduction on this channel, I think.
Don't
I
you?
don't need an introduction on this channel.
Introduce yourself.
The business partner, guys.
Mhm.
Yesterday, he really tried to, force me to know how to ride his bike.
You must know how to ride.
Guys, and I was not having it.
Guys, comment down below.
Like listen. Mimi, I at Mimi.
You, yeah, you,
Mimi
Mimi.
is me.
Mhm.
Me in Swahili. Mimi
Mhm.
is in Swahili. Me in English.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mhm.
Me,
So it's me. You add 2. Me times 2. Mimi.
Mimi.
Yeah, you become the
I.
special. I.
Me.
Yeah, Mimi.
Yeah, me is Mimi.
Yes, Mimi.
I do not ride a bike.
A
I don't know.
motorbike.
A motorbike.
Yes.
It's okay, like we call them bikes. Like when it's a Porsche, you call it a bike. You cannot call it a motorbike.
You
It's
call
a
it a
bike.
mountain bike.
It's a heavy bike. Yeah. So I don't know, but I tried yesterday, guys. You saw. Thank you so much for congratulating me for doing an amazing job.
You failed.
I did not fail. No.
You failed.
No, I didn't fail.
Totally terrible. Fail.
Completely.
Fail.
Flat.
Fail.
So guys, it was such an embarrassing moment for me.
But you
But
tried.
you overcame.
Congratulations.
No, congratulating me.
Go on,
I don't
you-
get
Kura
congratulated.
vitano, kura
The moment I
vitano.
fail.
Eat 5. Go. Eat 5. Kura vitano. High 5.
Okay.
Kura vitano.
So, guys, so I hope next time I'll teach you. Maybe I will take a bicycle now.
Next time.
I think
I'll
now
show you.
I'll teach you now how to ride a bicycle.
Oh, really? No, I'll teach you how to ride.
You teach me how to ride. You're the one who teaches people to ride things.
Yeah.
Rider.
The
Rider.
specialized
Riding is a
rider.
riding special. He rides a lot of things in
I
the
can,
village. So
Yeah.
so
Don't.
he's going to teach us how to ride, as if we don't know. Yes.
Don't, yes.
Yeah.
So
guys,
why is the reason why the construction has stopped? Today no masons, no
well,
masons.
today we
here.
don't have masons because let me be honest.
Be honest.
We run out of finance, the money to purchase all these things. So we are trying to accumulate some small, bit by bit, so that we
Yes.
can be able to get the iron sheets
And also the bricks.
and
yeah.
the bricks. Oh yeah, there's a part of bricks that's remaining. So
Yes.
we are flat, like kaput, dead.
Kaput, kash,
The project is
kash.
The project is okay.
The handsmen are laughing down there. They are finished with your laughter.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
the project is done for now until further notice.
It's kaput.
And the project is kaput for now until further notice.
Until further notice.
Yeah, so when we'll be able, we'll resume.
Yeah, but for now, it's the structure standing.
Yeah, we wanted it to stand like that, even if maybe in future we will try and find another way.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Show us today what the Masons has
So
been doing.
today,
Yeah, stand. Stand up.
Okay, I'm going to stand up. I'm going to stand up.
Stand up,
Okay,
Villa.
can you
You
listen to
step
me?
to the Villa. Stand up.
God, Jesus Christ.
Guys, if you know that song for victory, go right at stand up. You sing for that song. It will
and
be
guys,
best.
this guy nowadays has a protruding
Which
stomach.
stomach?
No, stop returning it inside,
No
guys.
stomach.
No, just let me tickle him and you'll see it. It looks like he's a pregnant man.
No way.
He's competing with me.
Ow.
Anyway, yeah. So guys, today, where do I start from?
Guys,
So
today-
the masons didn't come,
Yes.
that's for sure. We had only the handmen who were here because I requested them, or we rather requested them
Yeah, for sure.
to come back because we need to do some grooming
Yeah,
of this compound. Now
for
that
sure.
they've been the handmen have been doing all this. Have you shown them?
I haven't yet shown them, like removing the sand from
The
this
sand
side.
from this side. We wanted to
Have a level of the
have
house.
a level.
Yeah,
you know?
because that time you were standing here and the house were being shown like it's short.
It's
You could touch, but now they have levelized this way, the way you see, to have a very nice view on this
Yeah.
other end.
Anyway, that's what they were doing today.
Yes.
So let me show you what they were doing today.
Yeah, today also.
We are trying to make a road here.
Yeah,
Like
as-
we need to have some order. You know, some order how to get into the homestead and what have you. So we felt like this is the road. So yesterday CJ was trying to fix this
I
here
was trying to
because
fence.
we just want to have some
Fence.
like, a fence, and not necessarily a fence. Give the road some structure.
Yeah.
Okay, so that people when you're passing here, like you know this is the road, not that go anywhere.
Trespass in the
anyhow.
middle.
Yeah.
Even somebody's eating, having his own private. Yeah.
Hey, speak.
So that he can't not magamaga. Magamaga is just having eyes here and there. You are looking.
Looking.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
we were like, I had to uproot all the unnecessary grass and weeds, not weed, not.
Jamaican ganja.
Not
Smoking
that.
that,
Sky. I know you are thinking it's that. Some weeds.
Weeds.
Like
Unwanted plants.
Unwanted plants.
Eh.
You know? So we have to remove them, you know, clearly and make this place like for example, we have this here, a trunk. We have to remove this.
Yeah.
And the other one there, we have to remove. In future, when you have like small cars,
For
I'm
kids.
thinking for kids. Yeah,
Business kids.
well, business kids.
Can ride on.
Eh,
And
so
also I can ride you on a motorbike. Let me ride you on a wheelie
No, stop. I don't want to. I can never.
here.
Never.
For example.
You sit.
For example.
And those clothes,
Come,
if you
come.
dirtify them, you are in
Come,
trouble
you
with
ride
somebody
me
who
here.
washes your clothes. Wait, no.
I'll sit here good. And then you ride me. I can ride myself.
No, stop.
Let me
Stop
see.
embarrassing me.
Eh.
Seriously.
Hey,
Can you
I'm
stop?
craving to become a kid another day back.
I know.
Because having been a kid, I can push it back.
And we have a guest coming.
That is okay. The guest
Okay,
can.
there are two people coming, but I
Get
don't know
guest
who they
can.
Yeah, so guys,
Yes.
today let me...
Is my nyash dirty?
your nyash is very tight. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Where?
And you have big nyash, eh? Your nyash is growing every day. So guys, I felt like the need to, you know, beautification is very important for every homestead.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we are doing this. We're going to plant flowers. So we put a fence here, and now I feel like from out here we need to plant flowers.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other day
Beautiful
we were here and I gave a suggestion that can we put some iron sheets, but you said no.
Iron sheets
And
is
some
not ugly.
subscribers said no, don't put iron sheets.
Yeah.
Please kindly plant flowers.
Yeah.
So
and that
we-
was what was in my
So
mind.
we will plant
So
flowers
we're going to
here.
plant
Guys.
flowers here.
Yes.
That will grow up to somewhere here.
Yes.
Halfway.
Yes.
And then it's going to look so nice.
And
Not
beautiful
necessarily the normal flowers. May
Yes.
get some different kind of
flowers.
flowers, you know.
Okay.
So we plant them here.
All
And
right.
then we are going to get some different form of grass, because this grass here,
Mm-hmm.
we are going to remove all of it.
Oh, Pesa man.
Hi.
I see you. Welcome home.
I'm in your home.
Yes,
Yes.
welcome.
Live as I am.
Yes, Pesa man. All right.
So guys,
Yes,
we are going to uproot all this grass you're seeing in here.
Yeah.
All of it.
So that
Then
it can become like this.
so it will become like this.
Yes.
So that you can plant different grass.
Yeah,
But
guys.
wait, before we continue, this is going to be a vegetable garden.
Hey, Madam Boss, at the
Yes.
homestead.
So we want to have like a small vegetable garden because we are supporting
Grandma
grandma and all this
and
people.
mom
And we
also.
don't have any place where there's vegetable.
Sometimes they buy vegetable in the village, guys.
Yeah.
But me, I saw it good to plant grass here.
Where here?
Yes,
no,
grass
no.
because-
No. This is my project because I also want to get when I'll be selling them.
You'll sell
Yes,
vegetables
because I
here.
want to plant like sukuma wiki and mix a bit of them in here. So I'm going to have a row for sukuma wiki or maybe a row for spinach.
Actually,
and
guys,
a row for other
business
other kinds of
partners.
vegetables.
She bring ideas I reject, but she says it's good. So this small yard you can plant
Yes.
this one.
Yes, I'll plant sukuma wiki
Let's
here.
plant grass
No, grass is for the other side.
this side.
Yeah, I'm going to fence here with the wire mesh, and then I'll protect it from any chicken eating it.
From kitchen.
Chicken, yeah. And then the
So-
other part is for grass and maybe a small gazebo and some nice trees and flowers on the other side.
Guys, have you
where we
heard
can
that?
sit down and relax when now you call us as your friends when you invite us to your home. Once I'll be gone. Someday I'll go. Someday I'll go. Even if you're doing business, someday I'll be gone.
Who told you you'll go?
I will go.
You'll go.
You know, I'll go. Have to in this world we keep moving.
No.
Someday I'll be gone.
So if you are doing this business and then you go, please subscribers.
Guys,
Please subscribers. You have
I'll be
heard
gone.
she said she will go.
someday I will be gone.
Hey, you'll be irrepressible.
You will not replace me.
You will be irrepressible.
Will you
Yeah.
find someone to replace me with?
It will be irrepressible.
It will be replaceable.
Irrepressible.
Allah.
There will be no any replicant. But I mean, you
No,
know, like now she's
guys.
saying something here that is,
And now you're getting
you
emotional.
are choking me. I'll cry.
Don't cry. So someday I'll be gone. So I want them when
Where? Tell
Just
subscribers where.
subscribers. That day when I'll go, maybe I decide to go back to Mombasa, to Nairobi, maybe to
that.
Jamaica.
No, guys. Today the issue is the business partner. She's trying to tell me that she'll go, but let me show you. There's good work well done over here in the compound. You go.
Will remember me
You
for
go.
these kinds of projects.
Go. Far away, there is a land,
No.
and that land is Addis
You will
Ababa.
remember me for this project.
Hey, there is
Yeah,
a
and you
land.
will be eating my vegetables.
Kuna mbao hapa mwana msisahau.
Yeah, guys. you'll be
There
eating my
is a
vegetables.
land.
So I'll continue saying it. So guys, in future when I want to be here, they will remember me for the good work that we did here. They'll be like, oh, Minhawi, she's the one who did this. She's the one who prepared this. They'll be eating my vegetables and they'll be happy. Bibi will be happy. It's going to be fire and fun for them. Because we made it happen for Mr. Mogendi here and his wife, and we'll have a beautiful gazebo here with flowers around. We are going to decorate it and make it so beautiful with beautiful grass. And we want somewhere to source grass in the morning, and we're going to get it. So tomorrow, these guys are going to remove all this. You see, this is weed, pure weed, pure weed, So weeds. So we are going to uproot all this tomorrow. But first, I'm going to plant vegetables here. Like we are going to have spinach, we are going to have cucumber, we are going to have sukuma wiki, and and we're going to water. Now that it's raining, it's going to be easy for us to maintain it because we don't have to use water to pour here. Yeah. So guys, and the house will be over, and White House will be here. I think he'll have to repaint it because of the rains. Because down here we are going to make it nice so that the water doesn't have to spoil the color. Yeah. So yeah. What do you think?
Far away, and that land is Addis Ababa. You say what? There is
Anyway,
a
guys,
land
we have a guest waiting.
in Africa
He's
here.
playing so much. Let's go meet our guest.
Hey, work without play makes Tom a dull boy. You have to play, you have to sing, and to dance, jump. And
Okay,
do
twerk
everything.
for people.
Yeah.
Twerk. Twerk it.
I know how to dance this way.
Uh-huh.
Ding, like a church boy. Then I go down, go down low, go down low. Baby, go down.
Okay, let's meet our guest who came here
Yes.
a few minutes ago.
Okay.
Pesaman.
Hey, Pesaman.
Ah, hi.
Taylor.
Oh, Pesaman and Nyabohanse Taylor.
Taylor.
Allah.
She has tailors.
Hey,
How are you?
you're doing very good tailoring service.
Really?
Yes, you're offering us very amazing tailoring services.
I'm doing tailoring services.
Hey, okay.
Knock on a corner.
Knock on a corner.
Yeah, welcome, man. Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Home.
Yeah, we feel like
All right.
yeah.
This is Nyabohan. Introduce yourself.
Guys,
This is
introduce
the
yourself.
hey guys. Here is Nyabohanse Stella, the best Stella at Nyabohanse. So today I'm here at Minhawi's compound.
Guys, Minhawi's compound. Yes.
I'm just surprised to get here. I never knew that one day I'll be here. But God willing,
You are
I'll meet
here.
them physically.
Yes.
Guys, I'm very happy.
Uh-huh.
Go to my YouTube channel, check me there, comment and share my video, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pesaman, yes. Karibu sana. Welcome.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Asante. We feel most welcome by the way, and we really appreciate. It's only that my lady told me, let's
Oh,
visit
so you are ready?
Hey.
Pesaman.
Pesaman.
Comment section.
Okay. So Pesaman has a lady by the
Let's,
name Nyabohanse Taylor.
Nyabohanse Taylor.
Yeah, she's doing amazing. Guys, her videos are going viral. She does river baths and showering in the river. So guys, go watch her and see how she showers. Okay? Yeah, amazing, amazing. Anyway, thank you so much, and see you in a bit.
All right. Yeah, so guys, I'm signing out because the work has already ended, as you see, where there was another work that was done here, and also have to run to our land over there and check on what has been happening, because we left people were fixing the road. So we want the whole space should be this way, so that we can be able to plant grass over here, so that it can look nice and great. Maybe even some days when you pay a visit, you see like, oh, CJ's home is nice, and also again this house will be so great and amazing. So Minhawi, you are ready? Yeah, so we have to take these sacks. They're called cement sacks, so we never wasted them by burning, but we want them to fix the road to our dreamland. So let me take the nini in, the chairs in, and we see.
Okay. So guys, it's done. Here in the village we are done. And Bibi has eaten. We got her some food. She's eaten because apparently there's no one who cooks here in this village. So most of the time, so we just decided to surprise her with something, Yeah, so she's feeling happy. There's something called busara, something like that, called busara. Yeah, so she drank busara. Some busara, serious busara. And it was so, I don't know, you'll see that on Time Master's video. It is very nice, very sweet. Huh? Okay, guys, see you in a bit.
Yes.
Okay. I wanted to say something, but I'll say it later.
Say it.
Not now.
Okay.
No.
Yes guys, so we are around here, and we are actually at our land over here. This was a neighbor, had some sand. Actually he's doing some great job, so he brought sand here And you love the goats? This goat has a, it's like, it has an Asian hair on top. Yeah. Come. Wow. Boy. Yeah, so we are heading on this other.
I think would have that hair.
Yours.
No, this is small.
Yeah, it will have also that hair. But this is the father.
That's the father.
Automatically the genes might.
Hey,
be.
that's so cute.
It doesn't feel sun. Let me see. It doesn't feel sun.
That breed is nice.
Yeah, it has an automatic what we call like
Umbrella.
umbrella. No sun for you. Yeah, look. Hi. How are you? Wow. She has a very nice hair. So yeah, we are heading to our land over here, and we were fixing. The Vicenia was fixing road to us, and also guys, there's a great surprise that we fixed. Also fence. So we're waiting to put a mabati gate on our dreamland.
Is it a mabati gate really?
Yeah, it can be a mabati gate.
Actually, like we do
Wooden mabati.
like the one you saw there. Yeah, that would be nice.
Wooden mabati.
Wooden gates.
Wooden gate.
Yeah, the mabati is a bit
A bit
overused. Yes.
So you can.
Sorry. Oh no.
Oh no! I stepped a place. I thought it was shallow. So look. Oh my God! But now we don't have a river here. I have to have a well. Oh no! A borehole here. Yeah. Let me just wait and see. So it's better even I step down now. Yeah, you're just going. You are so merciless. So merciless. You're just going, I know. Then I'll just take you down with a motorbike. Yes. I'll pay. I'll follow you and I don't even say sorry. You just continue. You just continue moving. Continue moving. Yeah, so guys, we are making a road here because we are preventing water has been trespassing through our land. And I'm here with David Senior. Yeah, man. Hey.
Hey.
Introduce yourself.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm the Vicenia.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
I'm digging this thing.
Yeah, digging.
This magunia.
Magunia.
I want to put it
soil inside
here.
Okay.
So actually, I want to put
soil here, so it can be like
then
this.
I place them. I arrange them here.
Okay. All right.
I them there.
Okay, guys, this is David Senior.
Yeah.
Kindly check him out on YouTube.
I'll show you later the name.
The name.
Actually,
you changed it?
No.
Okay. Oh, you'll show me here.
Yeah. I'll show
okay.
You,
Thank you. No problem. Yeah,
no
guys.
problem.
So guys, he's fixing, and this is how he has been fixing on this other side, so that when even a car comes, it won't give us a hard time. And also, we'll actually perform and put a gate here, a small gate that actually will come to just see that it's marking the property on this other end. So yeah, we are here on our dreamland, and actually guys, we've also fixed what we call like a fence, and also we put some chairs. Now you can come and sit like this. Hi. And Riku's with music. Yeah, so we fenced our land, guys, and we secured our land well. Also down here, let me take them down.
Okay.
We are going down. Down. We secured the land, guys. The way you see, we fenced it actually. We put a barbed wire. We added some chairs here so that when you come, you enjoy. Literally enjoy, like sitting here, having some fresh green, fresh greenery. As you see how stuffs are, you sit even here. You see, like also somebody was sitting here and eating sugarcane. So you sit this way as you relax. Oh my God, what are blessings! Up to downwards. I'm thinking, guys, if I wanna extend land up to the river, downwards to the river, it's only that sometimes funds are taking me corner, but I believe in God. Like every little day, every single day, we have to appreciate. So me, I'm appreciating here what I have around here, and this is where I come and sit. I have my inner peace, and I say, Congratulations to everyone. So some days we plant some trees at the fence because I left my land. You see, I left my land here. So I'll just do what we call like plant some more trees, best trees. Yeah, so let's wait and I'll show you also the other side where we're fixing. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. We'll bring more materials. See you guys.
Yeah.
Hi, Claude Joseph's YouTube family. This is Gabby. This is Bushman Dude.
Yes, this is the Bushman dude.
We came over to see their land. It's absolutely fabulous, and the view's amazing, isn't it, honey?
Yeah. You know me, when I give giving a shout out, I come with a lot of energy. But my babe's like, no. Now when I was coming like, yeah, this is the Bushman dude. Okay, thank you so much. We decided to come and visit our friends here, Claude Joseph.
Wait, you come with a lot of energy, so you're saying I don't have a lot of energy?
Yeah, and house, so they're really doing amazing. I love where they have actually choose the land where to put their house. It's really amazing because as you can see the road, it's really accessible.
Yeah.
There's a near town here. Actually, they've really choose the best
location. Yeah.
Around here because it's near to the nearest town, and then again it's near to Nyabohansi. See the road are just passing.
See our house?
I can see
you
the
can see
house.
from here as we live just here.
Yeah.
At Marwa's area, that village. Yeah, that YouTube.
The YouTube village.
Yeah, me even I think like now I should come even find another home around here.
You make another house here.
My babe loves the house we built there.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, so
I love it.
Go and check. We've built a A-frame house. Not that we've built actually. We're in the process. So you can just check
Well, it's
what
almost
is
finished.
happening.
We just need windows and doors.
Yeah. So these are now our neighbors. So please, if you're watching us here, we really want to ask you in a humble way that please, the only thing that I pray for is just you just subscribe and keep on viewing my channel. Have amazing content.
I like how nowadays he's very fluent with his.
Oh, he's getting so confident.
Yeah, he's so confident. In Mombasa, he was really struggling.
Yeah. I think it's just like anything. Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, actually, you know that by that time I was starting my YouTube channel.
Yes.
So I was not that much.
Now you're taking it more seriously.
But now, if even your viewers, I take them like my viewers.
Guys.
How I talk to my viewers.
Yes.
Yeah, with a lot of energy.
Yes.
Because I know those people that are really helping us.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really pushing us. So I appreciate them on your behalf also.
Thank you.
So please subscribe.
He got monetized, guys. He's getting monetized. Yeah, check the Bushman dude. Guys, subscribe to his channel. This is Gabby's husband, babe, honey,
like
and
then
Gabby's
you better put a
everything.
ring
Yeah,
on
they love each other. Like they've been through a lot, and they're still here standing strong.
Yeah.
And I love them, guys. I love them so much. Gabby is my best friend.
Best,
I love
Like
you
she's
too.
my
We
best
love
friend.
you
I
too.
love her so much, guys. You have no idea. But this is Claude. Okay, let's hug her.
Let's hug it out.
Mwah. Mwah. She's
hug
my
it out.
babe.
What's that now?
Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be coming to your place. Hopefully here or there.
Yeah.
We need to. We'll be doing a video tomorrow.
Just come here where we are constructing our house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there is convenient. At least we can.
Me,
they
I'll
can
come
see.
straight down there.
Yeah.
And
At least they can see what we are doing. Actually, we're really trying, but now we depend. We are trying actually.
Maybe we'll make a
decide.
Spanish omelet or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah,
Hey.
we are really trying, but again, actually, we really pray that we are really trying. But if you subscribe to our channel and view our channel, that's even boost us even more.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
don't
so-
keep on like always toiling, like help.
Help.
I'm very glad because I even mean how I say that my channel have been monetized.
Yeah.
So at least I have that hope that at least I'll find something.
Yes.
At least there is something
You love your salary,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
at least you
Yeah.
guys can do something. you
Yeah,
know?
not
Yeah.
like how we are fighting right now, building a house.
Yeah.
It's not easy actually.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
The struggle's real.
The struggle is
struggle is
real.
real.
Yeah, but guys,
Yeah,
thank you
yeah.
so much for visiting
Thank
us. I'm
you.
standing in, guys, for Claude Joseph is a bit busy there.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll be seeing each other on my channel. I'll be
Okay.
having these beautiful people on my channel.
Yeah.
Maybe it's an interview, maybe it's just a vlog. I
Yeah.
don't know. We'll have something at least.
Just let it flow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much, and see you guys, and thank you so much, bestie. Peace out. Mwah. Ebu, come here. We need a
Okay.
thumbnail. Claude Joseph,
Claude
we need
Joe.
a thumbnail for your video. Please run. Just 1 minute. So let's wait
Yeah,
for
please
Club.
run. Why? Men from Africa, Korea.
from
They don't want to be told like please run.
Please, I said please.
Yeah, well,
Oh,
that's
please,
tough.
please.
You need to meet us in the
I
middle
think
because
you
we're
need to
not
hold
from
this so that you can
Korea.
have a good thumbnail
A
for
good
your video.
thumbnail?
Yeah.
That way? Ah,
what
Bushman,
can I
then
say?
come this side.
I don't have styles.
Bushman, come here. I
Which one?
stand
Where?
like a rock.
Okay.
Yes. Yo, guys, it's a good thumbnail over here. And wanna see.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for
Thank
coming,
you.
guys.
Thank
So
you.
much appreciated.
Congratulations and
Um,
health to enjoy your new land.
Thank you, and also congratulations to you
Yeah.
all
You guys,
for
congratulations
monetization.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Monetization.
I really appreciate.
Thank you so much.
I
Be
know.
blessed.
I love
Yeah.
them coming.
Yeah.
And what I can leave for your channel is that I really love because now you are our neighbors.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
now this now,
And
this now,
actually-
Yeah.
He has said that we can go and farm on his.
yeah,
on
because
his
see
piece
our
of
land
land.
is here.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
this
yeah.
river. Actually, it's not far from here.
Okay.
That's why I'm excited. I just want this relationship at least to go even further. I know
Further,
there's so
yeah,
many
for
things
sure.
we can help
Each
other.
other.
each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we can even come with a project. If
Yeah,
there
for
is
sure.
land
We can
here,
plant
put
yams.
some-
We can
yeah.
plant a lot of
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I
our
love
food.
that.
Somebody offered
That's
me
a
to
bri-
have a yam
Yeah, because there is a
seedlings.
river here.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we would
here
love to have a
is
communal
because
food
here
garden.
Yeah.
it's not
Yes.
far from there. You can just wake up and
Yes.
walk that river.
Yeah,
go,
over here.
Yeah, go pick those your
Yams,
things.
yeah.
And even me, come down there.
Wow,
We
man.
can do that together.
Yeah.
Can do that together. Should
Yeah.
be so nice.
Yeah.
Should be so great.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Because
much.
we've been
Yeah.
good friends.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Thank you so much.
Always.
Yeah.
Bushman.
Yeah, Bushman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Gabi.
Sawa.
Bye.
See you soon,
Thank you.
guys.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
Bye.
Bushman.
Okay,
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, on my
Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah,
I swear, guys, honestly, with
Yeah.
all due honesty, I
Yes.
love Gabi.
for sure.
Like, I don't know if there's anything that can stop me from loving her. She's brilliant, she's amazing,
very
she's funny,
nice.
she's
Yeah.
hilarious,
Yeah,
like
look.
she's everything nice.
Yeah.
She's my best friend also.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
we don't talk every day because we are busy right now.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, so we've been doing this.
Yeah, this is how it has been doing this because water has been running over here towards this side, and also we brought stones so that we can just compact them in here. And also we reinforced this side we're using cement of cement bags, but there's no cement inside.
Sandbags.
Sandbags, so that we can use to put them inside here, the sand, the way we have been doing here, to control the water from just trespassing through the land,
The land.
so that it can follow the path the way it used to follow.
And also we need to put some there.
Yeah, some here. So
Yeah.
that because because I used to use this is Mogendi's bags of cement that were used there.
Yeah.
So I just picked the bags because some burn them and some just throw them
also,
away. Yes.
Also, when you're constructing at your place, please keep for us these bags.
Wakati mnajenga pale
Manini
tutunzie hii mabag
tutakuja kutumia kutengeneza ile barabara pale,
pale chini.
tufunge hizi mabarabara maji ikuwe na.
Maji inasonga tu. Yeah, so also this other end.
Yeah.
You like dogs? This is
I
your
love
dog.
dogs, but it's okay.
Come
but-
bite.
I don't want it. Maybe it has rabies.
Inauma.
No. Yeah.
Come. Yes, guys. So it has been so beautiful. Look at the sunset on the other side. Is it sunset?
It's setting.
Setting on the other side. So on our land, if you have a story building, oh my God, you'll see how the sun is going down.
A balcony facing that side.
The must
Listen, a balcony facing the sunset.
and
A balcony facing the sunrise.
another one facing the other.
Having that view.
Yeah, the other view.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see what's going around. And on this other end, it has been so nice and also a hectic and a fruitful day today. But I'm giving much thanks to Almighty God for the good time, for the life and everything that has happened around here. Has it been so fruitful? Today we rested, right?
Today we rested a bit, yes. Today we rested, and I know tomorrow. What's the plan for tomorrow? I don't know, but tomorrow I think hopefully we rest, but we want to finish the house.
Yeah.
So we have other plans for tomorrow.
Yeah, it's only that, guys, the pockets were running low. And they are
Yeah,
running
so
low.
we took a break.
We took a break, and also we were looking what's going on around. So
Yeah.
tomorrow we want to see what's actually going around to Mogendi the Dreamer's house.
Yeah.
So please subscribe to me and Howie.
Yes, guys,
Like, share,
subscribe
and
to
leave
my
us-
YouTube channel.
Yes.
Like and do what? Watch
Share.
and share
And leave a sweet comment.
and leave a sweet comment.
And don't always forget to watch the ad fully.
Yeah, don't skip the ads. Yeah. Oh. And also remember, guys, I'm training right now to be a motorcycle rider.
You can show them.
No.
Show them. Here's the key. Mnawe jamaa hata fadhali uko hapa. Aendesha pikipiki.
No.
Here is the
I'm
key.
not ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unasema hata hi mra. Yes, hi. What's your name?
My name is Michael.
Michael.
Yeah.
Guys, he's Michael. He's also helping us to do some works over here.
Yeah.
And yeah, he's our neighbor over here actually. His name is Michael. Alright guys, thank you so much. Be blessed. And always see you in our next vlog with me and Howie.
Mwah.
Alright guys.
Fully,